Jamaica, we need to talk because we have a serious problem. But before that, ensure that you like, follow, and share. I have a question for you. Do you know what Stockholm Syndrome is? Look it up on your own, come back to this video, or I'll simply explain it to you. Stockholm Syndrome is a psychological phenomenon where someone is abducted or abused so much for so long, they develop feelings, positive feelings towards their abductor or abuser. They see this person as good, just, and a source of kindness. Mind you, this person abducted them and is and are abusing them. That's what Jamaica has developed with crime and violence. Yes, Jamaica has developed Stockholm Syndrome towards crime and violence. Crime and violence have ravished our country so much for so long. We have developed Stockholm Syndrome towards it. We glorify it in our music, we glorify it in our households. And until we wake up and realize this and work towards solving it, it's going to get worse. Jamaica has Stockholm Syndrome towards crime and violence. Our young girls want a bad man. Our young boys want to become a bad man. I'm not joking, people. This is dead serious. This is my personal theory, by the way. But I believe it wholeheartedly, and I've seen nothing to convince me otherwise. Jamaica has Stockholm Syndrome towards crime and violence. If you and somebody argue, the moment they feel threatened, they want to tell you where them come from, bad man place them come from. They themselves may not be a bad man, but the desire to be associated with badness is so strong in our society that even the same bad man friend or family member where you know not like you, or you know have even ill-treated you, you're willing to align yourself with them for some sense of association to badness. We have a problem in Jamaica. And until we are willing to wake up and discuss it and acknowledge it, it's going to continue. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Ensure that you like, comment, and share.